Everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial. Today we are doing number 3 in our card candy series. My team had done card candy as a swap. So this one is from Tammy Broadway. She's a stamper here in Northeast Arkansas. And Tammy used the Crafting With You bundle. This stamp set and dies are carrying over into the new catalog. They are not bundled, I don't believe. So if you're interested in saving, you may want to order those before the catalog goes out. If it hasn't already, I don't know what day it is. Honestly, I'm sorry. But I love the color scheme that Tammy did here. She used the purples and the crumb cake. So she used some of the perennial lavender, I think that's perennial lavender, designer paper, which is gorgeous. And some of our designer papers carrying over, I think this might be one, and I could be mistaken because I thought the fishing paper was carrying over, and apparently it's not. So I'm going to look. It is carrying over, which is great. I'm just looking to make sure because I really thought the fishing paper was carrying over. I don't know why I did. Okay, so so she did the Crafting With You perennial lavender, and then she's got the little the dies from that coordinating in the same suite as perennial lavender. So what I've done is just cut a couple sheets of Highland Heather, crumb cake, and gorgeous grape. So we're going to make at least 3 cards. Maybe we'll make 4. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay. Now, if you haven't watch the last couple videos prior to this to see some of the other card candy ideas. I love these because this is so fun and quick and easy. And Tammy's got these glued down, so when I peel them off, they're ready to stick on. So I am debating. I cut some pieces of white for the front. This, this is so good that it really, I don't think I want to do that. Let's see. Ooh, that looks nice. Okay, let's do this. Let's keep that white there. And of course, if the cardstock is dark, I'm going to put some white on the inside later. But I want to just do a little pop of white, and then let's do, what am I looking at? 3 3/4 by 5, and then a layer of the crumb cake. All right. I have got those dimensional papers everywhere today. Okay. Now I could probably add some ribbon if I wanted. The linen thread would look really nice with all of these, but I am not going to do that. I may later. I'm not going to say no. I'm going to just put this on. I'm going to put this on straight because the easel's already at an angle. Oh my gosh, that's so cute just how it is. Okay, let's leave. That's number 1. All right, let's do one of these with the Highland Heather. Okay, kind of thinking trying to decide. Kind of like that. Sending you a handmade hug. Maybe. Okay, let's do this. Let's go ahead and cut this one down to 5 by 3 3/4. 5, 3 3/4. gonna do this one going this way. I may go ahead, let's just go ahead and throw weight in there too. Why not? We'll do the same layout as the first one, but we'll do this one going landscape. Okay. Cut this. I don't know yet. I'm thinking right now. I set those back down on the dimensionals, which was a mistake. Let me put that upside down. I think I might do this. Let's do this one. Let's put that in an angle there. And then I'm sticking everything together. And then let's put this one at an angle here. Oh, I think that's cute. I'm gonna get, hold on, let's grab, we'll go for my purple gems. There they are. Let's grab these. These coordinate, these are carrying over as well. Let's just see what we have in this little extra bag. Just use what we have here. Let's see. Let's just add a couple of these. Big one down here. I'll do another small one, maybe right here. There we go. Oh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. That's two. We'll keep those where you can keep an eye on those. Oh, all right. I just knocked everything over. All right. Now we have got two more images, one more sentiment. We can always add a sentiment. I'm pulling those off before I'm ready. Let's do, I'm going to do crumb cake base. And the next one, we're going to do two more. All right. I'm going to do this. This is an extra piece of white I had from the last video. And I feel like I want to do this. Okay. We are going to, I'm going to stamp this first. Let's stamp, what's the word? Let's do, I'm going to do You Inspire Me. Or let's see if this will fit in here. Life is better when you're crafting. Will that fit? Eee, that's tight. That is pretty tight. Let's see. Let's see if we can fit You Inspire Me under here. Yeah, that fits a little bit better. Let's try that. Okay. We are just going to grab black, our memento. Okay, make sure my words are right side up. I'm going to do this right in the center, hopefully, and hopefully straight, right like that. Okay. And just pop this right on here. You know what? Let's just go from the top. Why not? Let's just do something a little different. And, okay, what are we doing? We're using this guy. Okay. I'm putting him over a little bit to the right because we've got those scissors kind of hanging off. Cute! Love it. Okay, that's another one. And let's do one more. We have got this awesome die cut machine and paper trimmer, and then we have a handmade hug. You know what? Let's do a note card. have some basic white note cards and envelopes. Let's do a little note card with this one. What color? Let's see. I've got these left. I kind of feel like they get lost on there though. All right, I've got a strip of, nope, we're not going to use that color. Okay. Feel that goes there. Wishing you do I want a color under there or not? I wonder what black would look like. Let me grab a piece of black. Actually have a piece of black here. I don't know if this will fit. Let's see if this will fit. This was an extra piece left over from our workshops this month. We did graduation cards, and I had lots of pieces for all the local school colors, and I had that piece of black sitting right there at my cutting area. Okay. I'm going to do this so that that's straight, and then we're going to overlap our handmade hugs. We'll just put the hugs straight too. Okay, cute. All right, let's add a couple of gems, brighten up the rest of that black, because that's pretty harsh right there. Lots of these. 1, 2. Cute. Okay. Little bling, never hurt anybody. We've used them all, Tammy. Isn't that cute? All right. Oh, what is that? That's for an envelope. It did not get used for the card it was supposed to be. Okay. That's it for our Crafting with You. I can't ever remember the name of that set. Crafting with You card candy. So just check my blog for measurements and supplies. And if you would like to place an order, I would love to have you order with me. I send you a little thank you card and gift in the mail. So yeah, that's all I have for today. Make sure to check back next time for part 4 of our card candy. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.